It's Tuesday morning and we're just outside the BOTB office to surprise this week's very lucky winner. His name is Giovanni Sottile and Giovanni has won the amazing Mercedes-Benz C63-S AMG. We've got a slightly older one to show him today, but I've got his number on my phone. Let's get him on the video call and give him the good news. He's this week's dream car winner. Hi, morning, is that Giovanni? It's Christian here from BOTB. I seem to have a way of waking people up. Do you need to splash your face with water like our lifestyle winner last week, or are you awake enough to talk to me for 5 minutes?
I got my brother. He doesn't believe it.
Oh, is this your brother?
Yeah.
Morning. How you doing?
Morning. I just wake him up. He say no.
Good.
He's joking.
I'm glad you've woken him up. Well, I can see you're slightly more awake now after splashing a bit of water on your face. Giovanni, I've got some very good news for you. You entered into our dream car competition last week. You played for two different cars, I saw. You played for the CLA35 AMG and the monster of a car that is the Mercedes C63-S AMG. Is there any preference on which one you'd want to win?
I think the C63?
The C63, yeah, it's a very good choice, Giovanni, very good choice. Well, it's a good job you said that as well. If I swing around here, Giovanni, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner and you have won a brand new Mercedes C63-S AMG.
Oh, I can't believe it.
So this is obviously not quite a brand new one. With the brand new one, you'll get the vertical grille at the front there, but I wanted to show you a C63 in the flesh, so to speak, via a video call.
Yeah.
So what made you play for the Mercedes?
I like them.
You like?
I like the AMGs.
You like the AMGs? You and me both, Giovanni. You and me both.
Yeah.
Well, let me take you in for a closer look. Let's jump inside. So here we are, Giovanni, in the C63. It's a stunning car. There's carbon fibre everywhere.
Yeah.
Have you ever sat in one of these before?
No. I just saw them.
You've just seen them?
Yeah.
Well, it's an £80,000 car.
Yeah.
It's a 4-litre V8 in this, twin turbo, producing over 500 horsepower. It's absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
Would you like me to start it for you?
Yeah, please, yeah.
Yeah, we definitely want to hear this engine. It's awesome. Right, here we go. Sounds good, right?
Yeah, I found the big
There you go, that puts a smile on your face. Nice one. So Giovanni, I can tell by your accent you're not from South London, are you? Where are you from originally? Italy?
I'm from Italy, yeah.
Whereabouts in Italy?
Rome.
Rome?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, the weather I think here today is nearly as nice as it is in Rome.
Yeah.
And what do you do for a living, Giovanni?
I do building.
You do building?
Building work, yes.
Are you building today or are you having a day off?
No, day off.
Day off today. What colour do you think you'd go for?
I think I'm going for black.
Black and red? Yeah, with the red interior? Like this one? Yeah, I love the red and black leather interior in this. This one's spec'd fantastically. Where do you think you'd take it for its first drive? Italy?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe when the road's open.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, when we're out of lockdown, take it back to Italy. Do you have family in Italy?
Yeah.
Imagine the look on their faces when you turn up in this car and you've told them that you've won it.
Yeah.
Massive congratulations, Giovanni. Well done.
Thank you very much.
And we'll talk to you a little bit later on.
All right, thank you very much.
Say goodbye to your brother for me as well. He looked about as kind of awake as you did.
Yeah, I just woke him up.
You just woke him up.
Yeah.
Giovanni, have a great day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
No worries. Bye for now.
Bye.
Cheers. Giovanni Sottile winning a brand new Mercedes C63-S AMG. What an incredible car. £80,000 worth of car he's just won, and he was half asleep. Of course, if you're playing the Dream Car competition this week, best of luck to you. Remember, we have our brand new midweek car competition as well now, where the results will be issued on Friday. So if you're playing for either of those this week, best of luck. You never know, you might just be getting that video call from me.